next here. Right to the edge there, my friend.
What do I do?
You're fine. You just fall, jump, or pop, whatever. Jump right in the corner there, camera lady. Okay. Don't freak yourself out. You're fine. You're really, really safe. Okay. That's it. Stand right on the edge. A bit more.
Wait.
No, it's okay. We don't want to wait now. It's best just to keep going. Right on the edge. That's wicked. Here, look here. You see the camera lady? Give her a big wave. You have to take your hand off.
Wait, okay. 10 seconds, 10 seconds.
Yeah, okay. We're gonna take a wave first.
Hi.
And over here too. Your camera lady.
Hi.
Okay, now we've already used 5 of those seconds, so now we're going to use the other 5. Here we go, girlie. Big jump. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Hey, here we go! Woohoo!
Go on, you know. Gonna make a wave. I can make a yellow one. Do it. Okay, one leg in each strap. Good. No, I'm doing the ball. Yeah, backward. I'm going backwards. Good. How much do you weigh, bro? 180.